Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular JS, Angular 14. So today we are going to learn how to convert the full-fledged hours into minutes. Okay, so today we are going to learn on that. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like it. Okay, so let's get started. So let's go our code level. So this is the code. Okay, and here we go with the let's take an add component dot ts also. We can use this one also, or on ng-init we are going to add a function, right? On we are going to write some of the code over it to call it. So where we have the code, so this is the conversion. So I'm going to copy this whole part to here. Okay, so it demands some of the things, total minutes, so I'm going to add, make it any, so it will not show the error. Okay, and also it's to be in any. Done. So I'm going to call this function convert h2m. So we are going to, I'm going to send the time in hour. Okay, so here we go with this one where we have this binding, this dot. So here I'm going to send the string expect. Yeah, we are passing the argument 420. Okay, so it's gonna be like this one, convertible. Let's console the part is also. I'm going to in a variable const final result. Okay, so here we go with this part, and console.log. So I'm just copying this and adding this part. Okay, so let's see what the input is gonna be in the add component. Okay, so here we go with the, where is Angular terminal. I'm going to make a new build. So here we go. I'm going to pasting that code. Okay, so let's open the console, and you can see the final result is 4 and 20. Okay, so it is not converting yet. 420. So here we have the 420, whatever I have sent time in. Okay, so it converts into the minutes, but let's use this one, 2 hours and 2 minutes. Okay, so here we go with this one part. So it's basically like if you have this one, and if you add the hours and the inputs, so you can just add here. Okay, here we can add the hours, and here I'm going to add the minutes. So okay, you can see that. You can see that 4 hours and 20 minutes, because it's hours and minutes, it's not rectified and justified, so I need to use you can use this method, right? Now I'm going to use another method that is minutes to hours, so I'm going to use this one, minute to hours. Here I'm going to send this one. Okay, so this is I'm going to send the minutes. Okay, I'm going to send the 90 minutes, right? And what the answer is, server trying to reconnect. Any issue? No. Let's reload this. Okay, I haven't console it, right? Go with the console, this hours in minutes. Okay, here we go with, I have just returned it, so I'm going to return statement is there, right? And let's copy this. mm, Const final, and just console this view word wrap. I'm going to add console.log and let's see 1 hours and 30 minutes. So 90 minutes converts into the 0 hours and 30 minutes. You can see that. Okay, so you can see that part, right? So here we go with this one. So it's showing, you can see that what we have done. We have taken the total minutes modulus by 60, because whatever the minutes we have, so because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and 1 minute contains the six, so 60 minutes convert into the 1 hour, so that's the minutes we are taking, and 60. Okay, then we have used math.flow total minutes divided by the 60. After that we have just used this one, here we have just upload two decimals, we are just showing num to string start from 2 digit, right, and 0. Okay, so we have used this and just log this, so this hours can be converted into the minutes. If I go and just check 60, if I just put 60 over here, so you can see that 60 not 30, so what it gonna be printed, 00 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so this how you can convert the minutes into the hours very easily. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.